All right, guys, Mike here with the watch list video for Tuesday, April 8th. Maybe one of the craziest days I've ever seen in the market. And I've seen a lot of crazy days, but we had the gap down in the SPY, big rip, and then it closed about where it closed on Friday. But the craziness, if you weren't there today, so it sold off and then ripped through the open, pulled back, and then absolutely, I've never seen a rip like this 5 or 6, 7 minutes in the SPY ever. I think there was a headline out that ended up being what they said fake news, but just absolutely crazy. And then went into kind of sideways nothingness for the rest of the day, which was also weird after that crazy chaos this morning. My best idea, I think it might have been one of the few ideas I gave, was NVIDIA over the early highs. Let me zoom in a little bit. So the early high I pointed out was 88.99. I said over the mic, I liked it over 89. Now here's the capper. So it rips to new lows and then comes right back up, and then the 89 break happened and it went nuts. Because it ripped to new lows, in my opinion, I was like, oh man, that's come too far too fast to take the high of day break. And man, was I wrong. But, you know, in hindsight, this was just a little washout, right? Taking out all the longs, and then it absolutely ripped. Just crazy action. But anyone that took that 89 break had the trade of the, I don't want to say the year, but certainly the trade of the week. Maybe trade of the month. Anyway, that was my best call today. One of my few ideas, actually. Let's go into what we're watching for tomorrow. JNVR, just a stupid move. I don't know what to say other than just a stupid move, but it'll be on watch tomorrow. AREB had that crazy move on Friday. Today, kind of a quiet inside day. Could be a third day play. USAR had this crazy gap up and reversal on Friday, but then right back up. So to me, it's certainly worth keeping on watch. RYTM, massive day today, but up into recent highs. So I like it a little less because of that. Levi gapping in after hours on earnings. Had the gap down today, topped out at 1410. And then had earnings in after hours, and so far topped out at 14. I actually like this over 14 in after hours if that happens, but it almost feels like nobody's watching it. We'll go on watch for tomorrow. GameStop also goes on watch for tomorrow. Great relative strength today, right? And then topped out at 25.02. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 24.41, but had an insider purchase of 500,000 shares announced in after hours. So kind of interesting back through 25 tomorrow. So let's keep that one on watch. CRWV, great strength today after the gap down. Want to watch that one tomorrow. NVIDIA goes back on watch after that crazy reversal. Amazon, same thing. Nice reversal after the gap down. SPWH, recent mover on earnings, and then had a great rip today. Goes on watch for tomorrow. Apple goes on watch. A little bit different than the others because it had the nice pop today, but closed well off its highs. We'll see, right? See if it gives a setup. CORT, nice bounce off the 20-day today. Was already on bounce watch. And then SOBR, as I'm talking to you, is trading at 666. But anyway, gapping up in after hours, so we'll watch that one. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the pre-market, and we'll add some gappers to this list as well. Have a good night.